The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to near Marengo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake, Indiana The Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Hunley, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Antioch, Waconda, Fox Lake, Barrington, and Lake Villa. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather